Ever imagined waking up to the gentle waves of the sea, with a new exotic destination to explore every day? Ever dreamt of unlimited gourmet dining, thrilling shows, and activities, all while traveling the high seas? In this guide, we're going to sail through the sparkling waters of cruise travel. We'll be exploring how to choose the perfect cruise line, diving into the plethora of onboard activities and excursions, and navigating through the seas of budgeting to ensure smooth sailing. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or a first-time cruiser, today, we're embarking on a journey to unlock the secrets of cruising, ensuring you have the knowledge to make the most of your sea adventure. So, let's set sail and dive deep into the world of cruising. Just like a pair of shoes, there's a cruise line for every traveler. Are you looking for a family-friendly voyage, a romantic getaway, or an adventurous expedition? Identifying your cruise personality is the first step to selecting a cruise line that aligns with your travel desires and expectations. Once you've identified your cruise personality, it's time to hit the books, or the web. Dive into research, read reviews, and compare amenities, destinations, and prices. Look for cruise lines that offer the experiences you desire, whether it's gourmet dining, thrilling excursions, or relaxing spa treatments. Where do you want to go, and how long do you want to be at sea? The itinerary and duration are crucial factors in choosing the right cruise line. Whether you're longing for the pristine beaches of the Caribbean, the historic sights of the Mediterranean, or the icy landscapes of Alaska, there's a cruise line ready to set sail to your dream destination. Cruising isn't just about the destinations, it's about the journey. Onboard activities are the heart of sea adventures. From Broadway-style shows to culinary workshops, there's something for everyone. Dive into the plethora of activities offered and find what tickles your fancy. Whether it's rock climbing, swimming, or just lounging by the pool, the options are endless. Excursions are your gateway to explore the lands you visit. Whether it's a city tour, a snorkeling adventure, or a hiking expedition, excursions add an extra layer of excitement to your cruise. Plan wisely, balance relaxation and adventure, and make the most of every port of call. Remember, some excursions book up quickly, so prioritize and book in advance. Time flies when you're having fun. To make the most of your cruise, create a balanced schedule. Mix relaxation with adventure, explore new hobbies, and immerse yourself in new cultures. Attend onboard events, mingle with fellow travelers, and don't forget to savor the culinary delights. Every moment is an opportunity to create lasting memories. A cruise is an investment in joy, but it doesn't have to break the bank. Start by creating a budget. Consider the cruise fare, travel insurance, flights, and pre-cruise accommodations. Don't forget to allocate funds for excursions, specialty dining, and onboard expenses. A well-planned budget ensures a stress-free vacation. Once on board, it's easy to get swept away by the excitement. Keep track of your onboard expenses, such as specialty dining, spa treatments, and shopping. Many cruise lines offer packages and discounts, so explore your options and choose what suits your needs and desires. Remember, the goal is to enjoy without financial strain. Life is full of surprises, and a little extra planning can go a long way. Set aside a contingency fund for unexpected expenses, such as medical emergencies or unplanned excursions. This extra cushion will give you peace of mind and allow you to enjoy your cruise to the fullest, knowing you're prepared for anything. Cruising is a world of adventure, relaxation, and discovery. By choosing the right cruise line, indulging in onboard activities and excursions, and budgeting wisely, you can set sail to a sea of unforgettable memories. So, pack your bags, set your sails, and embark on a journey of a lifetime, where the sea whispers tales of wonder and the waves dance to the tunes of joy. Ready to make waves and dive into the cruise life? Start planning your sea adventure today. Explore cruise lines, discover exciting destinations, and set sail to a world where the horizon is just the beginning.